In this video, I will show you how to hide Facebook friend list. Firstly, what you're gonna do to take off to that setup, you need to tap on your right upper side on the three dots, then scroll down, go for settings and privacy, select the settings side on the first selection right over here, and then it will shows up many different options in which you need to choose up the right one right here. For that setup, the right one option right here it is by getting up right down and going full privacy checkup. Go on that selection, and now guys, here you can find out who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook. You have all these setups in which, as I said before, it could be interesting if you get up and type on the right one or who can see what you share. Go on that selection, and here it will shows up these different options in which you need to go right down on friends and following, but firstly go for continue. Now if you scroll right down, how you have who can see your friend list on your profile. Just click on that settings bar, and here guys, with this, if you want to simply hide the Facebook friend list, you're gonna go with only me, and with this you're gonna simply go next on all of this and go review another topic, and with this we have done it.